This is the best water you can get. This is called Mountain Valley. It's really expensive. It's $34. That's crazy. But it is the best you can get. It is very heavy. I can barely even lift it. Ugh. There's two other options you can pick for water. There's this Evian and there's Fiji. You already really know about Fiji. It's really good. It's pretty expensive, but it's really good. There's also this Evian. Look at this, natural electrolytes. This is what you want to be looking for in your water. If we walk over here, we have this. There's way too many ingredients. This should just be water. But there's sodium bicarbonate, and there's calcium and chloride, and there's electrolytes for taste. What? They're adding electrolytes into the water when the electrolytes should already be into the water. Glass is better because if the plastic gets hot, then the plastic can get into your water. The glass can sometimes be annoying, it's a little heavy, but it's the better option for you.